Hi, this is Les Kerr. I'd like to show you an example of what you can do with MorseKOB 4.0. MorseKOB 4.0 is actually a collection of library routines rather than a single program. Its purpose is to make it easy to develop customized Morse applications, especially for use in a museum setting. What I'm going to show you here is the prototype of a program that may end up being used by Wells Fargo to allow communication by Morse telegraph between some of their 10 museum sites across the country. First, let me show you the hardware configuration I happen to be using. This is a low-end notebook running Windows XP. MorseKOB 4.0 also runs on any later version of Windows, plus Linux, and possibly the Mac, although I haven't tried it on a Mac yet. In this case, I have a telegraph key connected directly to a USB to serial adapter cable, and I've enabled the simulated sounder using the speakers. I could just as well be using a real sounder with either a sounder driver or a loop interface circuit, but these are in use on my other computer right now. Okay, I'll zoom in on the screen so you can maybe see it a bit better. Okay. So I'll start the program by double-clicking on the desktop shortcut. It's configured to connect automatically to one of the KOB wires, and it comes up with this welcome message. If I put the shortcut into the computer's startup folder, then the program launches automatically whenever the computer is powered up or Windows is rebooted. And this makes it easy for the museum staff to administer the system. The welcome message is inviting me to type a letter on the keyboard to hear what it sounds like in Morse, so I'll try that. And it's suggesting I try sending the same letter on the telegraph key, so here goes. Okay, well that worked pretty well, so I'll try another. All right, I don't know if you can hear the sounder in the other room, but everything I send here can be heard in all other locations that are connected to the same KOB wire. The welcome message is suggesting that I try communicating with someone, so I'll just send hi and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to run to the other room and send a reply. All right, I'm back, and that seems to have worked pretty well. Hopefully you heard it while I was out of the room, but I see that it decoded reasonably well on the screen. And I want to show you one other feature of the program. As you can see, the text scrolls off the screen and another welcome message is displayed, so the next user has a fresh screen to look at. And this actually normally happens after the program is idle for 1 minute. For this demo, I've changed it so it scrolls after 15 seconds. And I can tell you a bit about the program itself. It's relatively small, consisting of about 130 lines of code. And my goal is to make the program easy enough to understand so others can modify it if they wish. So I'll scroll back out here again. Now you've seen an example of what can be done with MorseKOB 4.0. If this triggers any ideas you might have for other applications, I'd be happy to work together with you on it. So please contact me. Thanks.